Welcome to our video on how quality sleep affects your body's physical well-being. Today, we will explore the various ways in which sleep impacts your overall health. Quality sleep is essential for maintaining a healthy body and mind. It affects your immune function, cognitive performance, physical recovery, and hormonal balance. By understanding the importance of sleep, you can make positive changes to improve your overall well-being. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of sleep and discover how it can significantly impact your health. Quality sleep plays a vital role in strengthening your immune system, helping your body fight off infections and diseases more effectively. During sleep, your immune system releases proteins called cytokines, which target infection and inflammation. Without adequate sleep, your immune response may be compromised, making you more susceptible to illnesses. By prioritizing quality sleep, you can support your immune system's ability to defend against pathogens and maintain optimal health. Explore the powerful connection between sleep and immune function in our video. Getting enough quality sleep is crucial for optimal brain function, improving memory, concentration, and overall cognitive performance. During sleep, the brain consolidates memories and processes information, enhancing learning and problem-solving abilities. Sleep deprivation can impair cognitive function, leading to issues with focus, decision-making, and creativity. By prioritizing quality sleep, you can support your brain's ability to perform at its best, leading to improved cognitive skills and overall mental well-being. Explore the profound impact of sleep on cognitive function in our video. During sleep, your body undergoes essential processes for physical recovery and repair, including muscle growth and tissue regeneration. Sleep is a crucial time for the body to heal and restore itself. Growth hormone levels peak during deep sleep, promoting muscle repair and growth. Additionally, the body repairs tissues, organs, and cells while you rest. Quality sleep plays a vital role in supporting these processes, ensuring that your body can recover from daily activities and maintain optimal physical health. Discover the intricate mechanisms of physical recovery and repair during sleep in our video. Adequate sleep is essential for maintaining hormonal balance, which impacts various aspects of your health, including metabolism, appetite regulation, and stress management. Sleep plays a critical role in regulating hormones such as cortisol, insulin, leptin, and ghrelin, which influence metabolism and hunger cues. Disrupted sleep patterns can lead to hormonal imbalances, affecting weight management and increasing stress levels. By prioritizing quality sleep, you can support your body's hormonal equilibrium, promoting overall health and well-being. Explore the intricate connection between sleep and hormonal balance in our video.